can we move around sections from a recording and move it around? Just copy paste from the script and it moves audio and video. What about Descript? Yes, Descript does exactly the same thing. Look at this. I'm going to just go down here somewhere in the middle and I will copy this. I will select it first. I will highlight it so you can see it. And I can just cut. All right, it's gone. You see it? And I go all the way. Let's put it at the top. Make some room for it in here. Press enter. Go back to the top and then just paste. And there it is. And all of the video and all of the audio associated with that text follows along. Okay, so this content, by the way, is in a sequence right now. So there's 2 tracks in there. There's my video and my guest, Chris. When you copy text, the text comes from the sequence, which comes from the files. So when you copy everything, it just brings that chunk of the sequence is untouched, but it's now shown at the beginning because that's how it is. Editing in Descript is non-destructive, which means the sequence never gets modified. It's just chunks of it are shown at different times. If I go back down here and I paste again, I am actually seeing that portion of that sequence again in here because I'm pasting text. So really, moving sections around is done just like in Word, copy and paste, cut and paste. Now, there's another way you can do it. If you have scenes, okay, so I've got this particular piece of content. Let's create a scene around it. Press slash at the beginning and press slash at the end, right there. So now I have created a scene. This is scene number 5, right? So I'm selecting that. Now, let me show you. I'm going to go and actually include a little distinguishing element here on that scene. Press that. There's a little star, right? That's my scene, just so we can know which one it is, right? So I click on that scene and you see right there. And now there's another way you can move the scenes around. Okay, so a while ago, Descript added the ability to move the scenes up and down, just like you do in, PowerPoint, drag and drop. Okay. And I'm going to grab this and move it all the way to the top. Watch this. On the sidebar there, you can grab that scene and just go up, 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 and drop it. And there you go. The content goes with it. Everything that is in that scene is supposed to go there. That star came in and everything moved. So that's another way to do it.